If you follow me on Instagram, you probably saw these questions. Yan ang pag-usapan natin today. Hi there! Thank you for checking out my channel. Thank you for clicking on this video. Dun sa mga nagtatanong kung nasaan ako ngayon, wala ako sa room ko obviously. Pero okay, masanay sa backdrop na to. Hindi ko to bahay. Nag-rent lang ng Airbnb for a couple of meetings. Kaya nandito ako ngayon. And yun, i-enjoy natin yung pabulaklak ni Mayor sa likod. So, thank you so much guys for watching this video. Again, if you follow me on Instagram, you probably encountered itong mga questions na to. Ito yung mga questions na marami sa inyo nagkamali. So, about half of you guys didn't get it right. So, I figured, kailangan ko siguro i-explain. Today, we're going to talk about a logic question or a series of logic questions na pinost ko and i-explain ko sa inyo kung ano yung tamang sagot. So, if you're watching this for the first time, I make educational and motivational content. If you haven't yet, don't forget to hit subscribe and hit the bell icon. Now, in order for me to explain things better, I'm going to switch over to my PC so I can show you. I'll see you in a bit.
This question was something I posted din sa Instagram stories ko. Sabi, Mickey is older than Minnie, Daffy is older than Daisy, if Minnie is older than Daffy, and is Mickey the oldest? Marami dito ang nagkamali. Marami yung hindi na nasumagot at all kasi daw naka-confused daw sila or hindi nila alam kung paano nila ito sasagutin. This type of question can appear sa logic section sa civil service or sa NAPOLCOM or sa PhilSat. Basically, ito yung way for people to gauge kung meron ba kayong enough na analysis or analytical skills when it comes to understanding statements. And ang key here is to draw. Now, that's something that not a lot of people do. Kasi yung iba, binabasa lang nila, tapos nako-confuse sila, migrine sila, tapos move along na sila. When in fact, ang susi is to draw. So, you have to draw it one line at a time. Sabi, Mickey is older than Minnie. So, si Mickey, mas matanda siya kay Minnie. Okay? Now, this is something I teach exclusively sa live review events, but I'm going to show you yung technique ko. Hopefully, ma-pick up nyo pa rin. So, si Mickey mas matanda siya kay Minnie. Kasi anything that is older, stronger, faster, all of those, I put them sa taas. So, si Mickey daw mas matanda kay Minnie. Next, sabi, si Daffy is older than Daisy. Now, pero hindi ko pa siya pwede pagsamahin kasi hindi ko pa alam yung connection nila sa isa't isa. That's the most common mistake. Kasi ang ginagawa ng iba, lalagyan nila dito sa ilalim. Eh, hindi naman sinabi na Minnie is older than Daffy. Wala pa sinabing ganon. So, ibig sabihin, itong dalawang truth na ito, hindi mo pa sila pwede pagsamahin sa isang lugar. Independent pa sila of each other. Next, sabi, if Minnie is older than Daffy. Ito na. Dahil sinabi na Minnie is older than Daffy, ibig sabihin si Minnie, mas mataas siya kay Daffy. Now, again, dahil si Daffy ay mas matanda kay Daisy, si Daisy ngayon magpupunta dito sa pinaka-ilalim. So, if Minnie is older than Daffy, is Mickey the oldest? Now, as you can see sa drawing, at wala naman na akong may dadagdag, at definitely si Daisy ay mas bata pa kay Daffy, then si Mickey, siya nga talaga yung magiging oldest. So, the answer here would be yes. So, ano again ang susi? Draw. Draw, draw, draw. Kasi pag na-visualize nyo siya, mas madali mo siya maintindihan. Okay? Here's another question I posted sa Instagram stories ko. If no army is Exol and some Exol are elf, can some army be elf? Just riding the Korean or K-pop bandwagon kasi napansin ko kapag ganito yung mga pinag-uusapan, interesado lalo yung mga nagpo-follow ng fandom, no? Pero ako basically, I don't have a dog in this fight. Ibig sabihin, wala akong sinusundan or mas preferred na boy band. Pero huwag kayo mag-away-away, okay? Again, gusto ko ma-establish dito is one thing I teach sa logic is that tunay na buhay does not apply. Ano ibig sabihin tunay na buhay does not apply? Hindi kailangan na kung ano yung totoong mas sikat or ano yung totoong mas maraming may gusto, yun ang magiging sagot. You just need to refer to whatever is written on the statements. Now, I have a series na on data sufficiency questions and on Venn diagramming or drawing yung mga statements. And I will post the playlist right here dito sa I button sa taas. So you can watch those and catch up. Now, how do you draw it? Now, ano ang no? I explained that here din sa playlist. In-explain ko ano yung, paano i-drawing yung no at saka none. Pag sinabing no, ibig sabihin dalawang magkahiwalay circle. Ibig sabihin kung ito yung mga army, okay? Separate circle ngayon yung Exol. Now, bakit? Kasi no army is EXOL. Ibig sabihin, hindi sila pwedeng magsama. Hindi pwedeng mag-intersect kahit katiting. Kasi ibig sabihin, kung nasa loob ka ng bilog na army, hindi ka pwedeng nasa loob ng bilog na EXOL. Now, next ang sabi, if some EXOL are elf. Ibig sabihin, yung ibang EXOL daw, elf. Pwede ko ngayon na pwede akong kumurot dito sa EXOL. Kasi ang itsura ng some is sunny side. Ito yung, dalawang, parang basically, pretzel, no? Dalawang bilog na magka-intersect. So, ibig sabihin, pwede akong kumuha dito at sila yung magiging elf. Now, to stretch your imagination, actually, pwede pa rin ako kumuha dito. Okay? Elf. Kasi ang importante lang, ay kumuha siya ng part sa EXOL. Now, to stretch your imagination even further, you can actually do this. Yan. So now, the question goes like this. Can some army be elf? And if you can see in the drawing, dahil ang sinabi lang naman ay can, hindi naman sinabi na are, can ibig sabihin, pwede ba? Or posible ba? Hindi kailangan na sure. At tatanong lang kung posible. And if you can see, it's actually, pwedeng hindi, pero pwedeng oo. Actually, pwedeng ang lahat sila eh. So the answer here is yes. I think dito na-confuse yung iba. Hindi nila napansin yung can, tapos hindi sila marunong mag-drawing. So again, balikan ninyo yung exercises, balikan ninyo yung video lessons on this topic para hopefully, pagdating sa actual exam, alam ninyo kung saan kayo magsisimula. Okay? Next. Here's another question that I posted. Sabi, all beetles are insects and all insects are stinky. Body is stinky. Is body a beetle? Okay? Now again, yung iba feeling nila kasi babasahin lang nila yun parang reading comprehension tapos yun na yung sagot. But in fact, you still have to draw. So, all beetles are insects. Ito yung sinasabi na sunny side up. So, lahat daw ng beetles, okay, so lahat ng nasa loob ng bilog na yan, they are all insects. Okay? Which means, kung ikaw ay beetle, automatic ka na magiging insect. Now, ang sabi next, all insects are stinky. Ibig sabihin, yung bilog na insect nasa mas malaking bilog na stinky. Okay? At dahil nasa loob ng bilog na insects yung beetles, madadamay din siya doon. Now, ang next statement is sabi si body daw is stinky. So, si body, ang importante lang, nasa loob siya ng bilog na stinky. Now, pwede natin siya ilagay dito. Kasi nasa loob pa rin siya ng stinky. Ibig sabihin, stinky pa rin siya dyan. Pwede mo siya ilagay dito, stinky pa rin dyan. Tapos, pwede rin siya dito. Kasi stinky pa rin dyan. So, yung next question, which is body a beetle? This actually, wala sa options yung sagot. And only one person got this right. The correct answer is that it is uncertain. Bakit? Bakit uncertain? Kasi, kung dito siya, stinky siya. Pero hindi siya insect, hindi siya beetle. Kung dito siya, insect siya, stinky siya, okay? Pero hindi siya beetle pa rin. The only way for him to be a beetle is if dito siya. Eh, hindi ka sure kasi kung saan siya banda dyan. Kung hindi ka sure exactly kung nasaan siya papasok, the answer would be uncertain. So, this is actually a trick question. And I gave a prize dun sa person who got this right kasi mag-isa lang siya. So, if you participate in these video lessons then in these quick questions that I post on Instagram, if, for example, sa tanong, ikaw lang nakakuha ng tama, or if magpapag-giveaway ako, sabihin natin sa first 5 who got it right, then ibig sabihin magka-qualify kayo doon. So, I gave the person a shirt. So, hopefully kayo din next time. Okay? So, don't forget to follow me na lang on Instagram.
Alright, I hope you learned something today. If you did, click thumbs up. Make sure that you share this video with your friends. Sana kung mag-exam din sila para mas marami tayong tulungan. And as always, if you want to reach out to me directly, you can go to www.facebook.com/teamlika for more information sa mga reviewers, review events, and stuff like that. Thanks guys, and subscribe if you haven't yet. Don't forget to hit the bell icon para hindi nyo mamiss yung mga paparating pang videos because there are more of these coming up really soon. So thanks guys, and never stop learning. Aja, kaya niyan. I'll see you in the next video, and bye for now. Sobrang big deal.
Ganda, kita yung flowers.
Yung flowers talaga yung nagdadala yun.
Ayan o, ang ganda kaya.
Hi guys.
Gosh.
Guys, we're here ngayon sa Eastwood. Kaya place. Tapos can I just say, hindi masyadong mabait yung may-ari. Kasi yesterday, it took us about an hour before they let us in. Sobrang gulo. Tapos they were like, andun kayo sa mailbox. Eh, wala nga kami. Yan po yung wala doon. Di ba? Grabe. Pa-stress.
May pa flowers.
May mga flowers. Ang ok-ok po. Meron na po tayo set designer, mga kapatid, mga kaibigan. Team, ini-introduce ko po sa inyo. Kita mo yung mukha mo. Kita mo yung mukha mo.
Putol ka? Putol pa.
Hindi na ako marinig na mic.
Kasalanan niya, hoy. Ay, seryoso mo buhay mo.
If you